everybody, and welcome to today's video. So we're going to be hitting a higher grade video today, a higher grade question. This is definitely a higher grade question, and it looks like this. Okay, now if you're anything like me, this is the kind of question that you might be very tempted to try and run away from and not even try. But I just want to show you some ways that we can have a go at it and get at least a couple of marks, even if not all of it. Okay, but hopefully as we go through this, you'll realise that it is possible to do. Okay, so the question, first of all, part A, okay? First of all, part A. And it says that I'm going to rearrange 2x squared plus 16x plus 35, okay? Now, first thing I notice with this is that within here, I've kind of got a square number and x squared, okay? And if I look at this, I can see that what I've got here is something related to completing the square. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to factorize just this bit, okay? This is the only bit that I'm looking at to start off with, okay? And so I'm going to say that it's 2 lots of x squared plus 8x, okay? And then I've got the plus 35 at the end. Right, now because I've got this, I can use completing the square to be able to solve this, okay? So, of course, when we're doing this, what we need to do is we're going to say that it's x plus half of this value, which is 4, all squared. Okay, what I then need to do, I need to work out what the value of this is. So again, at the moment, I'm just looking at this bit, okay? I know I've got this coefficient here, and I've got this bit at the end, but at the moment, I'm just concentrating on the square bit, okay? If I was to multiply that out, I get x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16, okay? So that's what I've got there. What I need to do is I need to remember that because that's there, I can then complete the square normally. Obviously, what we normally do is we then look at this and we adjust it for this. But because I've got this coefficient, I need to incorporate that into it, okay? So what I've actually got is that times 2, okay? So the key bit, the bit that's important is that here becomes 32, okay? 2 lots of 16 is 32, which will affect obviously what I need to change here. So I have 2 brackets x plus 4 squared. Now, obviously, because of all of that, we've got 2 lots of 16, which gives us 32. I need 35, so I'm going to add 3, okay? And that will give me my value of A, which is 2, B, which is 4, and C, which is 3. So that's the answer to A, okay? It wants you to work it out into that format where A, B, and C are integers. Now, question B. Question B looks like it might be difficult, but if you can remember the strategy and the method to find the turning point in a quadratic once you have used completing the square, then this question will take hardly any time at all, okay? Right, so if I just copy this out again, so we can see it more clearly. So x plus 4, all squared, plus 3. Just realised I put that in the wrong place there, forgive me. That should be there, of course, thank you. Now, what I do with this is, to find the turning point, okay, it's going to be obviously coordinates, and the x coordinate is always the inverse of what I've got inside my brackets. So in this case, it's -4. And my y coordinate is always the adjustment, the number on the end. So it's -4, 3. And that there, ladies and gentlemen, is the answer, okay? I've had people ask me in the past, well, surely that changes if I've got this 2 here. No, it doesn't. If you've got completing the square, if you've used completing the square, and you're being asked to find the turning point, then you're going for the inverse of the value that's inside the bracket, and you're looking for the value that's just there, okay? So there we have 5 marks, apart from my little mistake there, which I apologise about. Apart from that little mistake there, what you can see is that we've now got everything that we need to be able to answer that question correctly. Okay, so there we go. Right in. Hope you found it useful. As always, if you have found it useful, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, drop me a like, and keep watching the videos, guys. And if there's anything I can be doing for you guys, then let me know, okay? But for now, I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.